What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how to add voiceover commentary to your ranking videos. So first off, you may want to add voiceover commentary if you want your videos to be more original and transformative. Because when you add voiceover commentary, it helps the audience understand the video more because you're narrating it. So when you record your voiceover with whatever software that you use, whether that's your Voice or 11 Labs, you want to bring it into your software. And many people, they use Final Cut Pro, CapCut, DaVinci Resolve. You want to import your voiceover, and then you want to
ranking funniest fails.
Just like that, you want to find out where you want to put it. So let's put it right here in the beginning.
Ranking funniest fails.
And then it's right before the video actually starts, or the clip actually starts. So I'm pretty much giving them a heads up and letting them know what the video is about.
Ranking funniest fails.
And then we can cut that right there.
Ranking funniest fails.
So that's how you put it in the beginning, and you're gonna, if you want to add voiceover commentary throughout the video, you essentially just add it in multiple places. So I have another voiceover clip here.
You have no idea. She had no idea what was about to happen.
You know, so you add commentary to it. And pretty much that is going to help the audience understand exactly where you're heading. You know?
She had no idea what was about to happen.
And I'm gonna fix this, but I'm just showing you guys an example of how to do it. So you pretty much just add it on each clip wherever you feel like there should be commentary to help the audience understand. And that's essentially it. So guys, if you guys want more tutorials, make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thank you guys for watching.